Welcome back. Our third authentication method is Rosefire. All right, so once again, we ask the same question. Why yet another one? If we got Google, why do we need something else? And the answer to this is purely for convenience to users of Rose-Hulman specific apps, of which there are a growing number. So we're pretty excited about the ability to offer this. Tyler is pretty pumped about this and pretty passionate about creating a decent library that people can use. You'll see here that it's actually not just for Android, but for iOS, JavaScript. He even has Python and Java bindings as well. So there's some really good stuff here. What's going on under the hood? For anyone who doesn't know, for Rose-Hulman students, the authentication method that Rose-Hulman uses is something called LDAP. And so Rosefire is handling all the communication with LDAP for us, right? So we basically type in our email password, and Rosefire can say, hey, you know, is this a valid person or not, right? And if so, it's actually going to give us a custom token that we can use to access Firebase, right? So it's sort of bridging the gap between the authentication methods that already exist and the Firebase. Okay. So setup, fairly straightforward. Okay, so you're going to go to this website here, and so Tyler is set up here. So we are hosting this locally here at Rose. So rosefire.csse. All right, and in order to do this, we're going to have to enter in our own Rose-Hulman credentials. All right. And we'll do this so that we know that we're actually affiliated with Rose-Hulman. To get it to play nice with Firebase, we're going to have to give it our Firebase secret. All right. So here underneath login, way down at the bottom, you see secrets. All right. And so you have a secret. So you're going to want to go ahead and copy that. Right. And then go ahead and paste it in here, right? I mean, who knows what it was, right? I don't really care, right? In fact, secret, whatever it is. No, you actually want to paste in your secret there. And it looks like I had something else on my clipboard. So my secret goes here. And if I do that, then it's going to generate a token for me. And this whole thing right here is a registry token that we're going to need in our app to be able to use it, right? So what you want to do is you want to grab this guy, put it on your clipboard, and jump over into jump over into your program. And I would recommend that you put this, we could put it in our main activity, but I'd recommend, since it's sort of a key here, that we put it in its own file. Usually people will do is they'll go to like values, and they'll make a new values resource file and just call it like keys or keys.xml. And within here, it is just a string, right? So go ahead and make a string, and maybe we call it Rosefire key. Close that up, and then paste that guy in from the website. Okay, like so. All right, and believe it or not, that is all the setup we need to do. We'll come back next time to write the code.